Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce customer interaction costs with Intercom, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current customer interaction costs. Identify the key areas where you are spending the most. Analyze support tickets, chat interactions, and phone calls. Look for patterns that indicate inefficiencies in your communication. Next, familiarize yourself with the Intercom platform. Sign up for an Intercom account if you haven't already. Explore the features available, such as live chat, bots, and automated messages. Set up your Intercom integration with your website or application. This allows customers to easily reach out to you through multiple channels. Create a knowledge base within Intercom. Include FAQs and common issues to enable self-service for customers. Organize articles by category for easier navigation. Implement chatbots to handle common inquiries. This will reduce the need for live agents in routine situations. Customize your chatbot's responses to align with your brand voice. Monitor the performance of your chatbot regularly. Make adjustments based on customer feedback and interaction data. Use targeted messaging to engage customers based on their behavior. Set up automated messages for actions like cart abandonment or signups. Segment your audience for personalized communication. This enhances user experience and reduces repetitive interactions. Train your support team using Intercom's features. Provide resources and guidelines to effectively use the platform. Utilize the reporting tools within Intercom. Track response times, resolution rates, and customer satisfaction. Identify areas for improvement based on this data. Regularly review your communication strategies. Make updates to your knowledge base and chatbot scripts as necessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.